So here we go. Some tips and conclusions. You want to maximize value by actively participating in meetings. You want to continually learn, and you want to apply insights to your investment strategy. So you don't want to just meet one time. You want to meet multiple times. I want to be able to walk with you, help you, coach you along the way on what's good investment. You could join the Will Builder Stock community and get some other information on the sideline in between these investment courses. And you could take this learning and find more learning, do research, engage in the crypto investment community, and you could get more insights as we meet, and you could learn more stuff. Maybe I even may learn more stuff, but it's an opportunity to have somebody walk with you as you navigate this environment where it's a lot of scams and stuff out here. So you want to regularly attend and apply methods you learn to your portfolio. And last but not least, so you could book your free 30-minute investment consultation to move forward. All you have to do is scan the QR code, and it will take you to a link. And in that link, you could book a free 30-minute investment consultation where I sit down for 30 minutes and go over some ideas on how to build your portfolio. You can ask me questions, and then we could navigate from there on setting up another meeting. So with everything clear, that is the entry level to investments. That is welcome to Demystifying Investing, and I hope to see you on the other end.